Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Tapo RV30 Max Plus LiDAR Smart Navigation Robot Vacuum and Mop with Self-Emptying Dock. I have looked through the internet, analyzed its features, compared it with other robot vacuums in this category, and by the end of this video, I'll tell you whether the Tapo RV30 Max Plus is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The biggest highlight of this device is its 5,300 Pascal suction power. This level of suction is strong enough to handle everyday dust, crumbs, pet hair, and debris across both hard floors and carpets. While it is not in the ultra-premium 10,000 plus PA category, it still delivers solid cleaning performance for most households, especially when combined with its efficient brush system and structured cleaning paths. Another key strength is its LiDAR smart navigation system. Unlike basic random path robot vacuums, LiDAR mapping allows the RV30 Max Plus to scan your home in real time, create accurate floor maps, and plan efficient cleaning routes. This reduces missed spots and ensures more consistent coverage, even in complex room layouts with furniture and obstacles. The self-emptying dock is one of the most important convenience features here. Instead of manually emptying the dustbin after every cleaning session, the robot automatically transfers collected debris into a larger sealed bag inside the dock. This means users can go days or even weeks without maintenance depending on usage, which is a major advantage for busy households and pet owners. Mopping functionality is also included, allowing the robot to handle light floor cleaning in addition to vacuuming. While it is not a heavy-duty scrubbing system like roller mop designs found in higher-end models, it is still effective for maintaining general cleanliness and removing fine dust from hard floors after vacuuming. Smart features are another strong point of the RV30 Max Plus. Through the Tapo app, users can customize cleaning zones, set schedules, define no-go areas, and adjust suction or cleaning modes. Integration with Alexa and Google Home also allows basic voice control, making it easy to start or stop cleaning without opening the app. Battery performance and self-charging behavior ensure that the robot can automatically return to its dock when the battery runs low and resume cleaning afterward if needed. This makes it suitable for larger homes where cleaning cannot always be completed in a single cycle. Of course, there are some limitations. While 5,300 Pascal suction is strong, it is still below some flagship models that offer higher raw power and more advanced mopping systems. The mop function is relatively basic, so it may not handle stubborn stains or dried spills effectively. Also, like most mid-range robots, it works best with regular maintenance rather than extremely dirty environments. But overall, when you look at the complete package, the Tapo RV30 Max Plus delivers a very balanced combination of strong suction, reliable LiDAR navigation, and highly convenient self-emptying functionality at a competitive level. So, should you buy the Tapo RV30 Max Plus LiDAR Smart Navigation Robot Vacuum and Mop? After looking through the internet and evaluating everything it offers, my answer is yes for users who want a dependable, low-maintenance robot vacuum with smart mapping and strong, everyday cleaning performance. If you want advanced roller mopping, ultra-high suction, or fully automated water refilling systems, then higher-end premium models would be a better fit. But for most homes, this is a very practical and efficient cleaning solution. Overall, the Tapo RV30 Max Plus stands out as a smart, convenient robot vacuum that focuses on reliable cleaning performance, easy automation, and strong value in the mid-range category.